Have you ever worried about your bones becoming weak as you age? You're not alone. Millions of older adults in the U.S. face the silent threat of osteoporosis, a condition that can turn everyday activities, like climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or even standing up from a chair, into painful challenges. But here's the good news. You don't need prescription drugs to strengthen your bones. Today, we're going to share simple, natural ways to protect your bones, improve your strength, and feel more confident in your daily life. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step plan to prevent bone loss naturally. What do you understand about osteoporosis and bone health? Before we dive into solutions, let's first understand what osteoporosis really is. Osteoporosis is a condition where your bones become fragile and more likely to break. Think of your bones as a strong bridge. Over time, if the bridge isn't maintained, cracks develop and its strength declines. In your bones, these cracks are microscopic losses of bone mass. Left unchecked, they can lead to fractures, often in the hip, wrist, or spine. Bone health isn't just about calcium, though that's important. It's also about vitamin D, magnesium, protein, and other nutrients that help build strong bone tissue. Beyond nutrition, your lifestyle choices like exercise, sleep, and avoiding harmful habits play a major role. The scary part, bone loss often happens silently. You might feel fine until a minor fall causes a serious fracture. For many older adults, the idea of relying on medications feels daunting. Pills can have side effects and may not address the root causes of weak bones. That's why a natural approach is so appealing. It strengthens your bones while improving your overall health with virtually no negative side effects. Today, we'll break it down into simple, actionable steps. We'll start with nutrition, because what you eat daily is the foundation of strong bones. Then we'll explore exercises, lifestyle habits, and even the subtle routines that older adults in places like Japan use to maintain strength well into their 80s and 90s.
If we want strong bones, we must build a health strategy for ourselves. Your diet is the most powerful tool you have to prevent osteoporosis. While calcium is well known, it's only part of the story. Here's a practical, easy-to-follow plan. Calcium-rich foods. Dairy, like milk, yogurt, and cheese, are classic sources. But if you prefer plant-based options, look for kale, broccoli, almonds, and fortified plant milks. Aim for a consistent intake spread throughout the day, rather than loading up all at once. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Sunlight is the best source, but even 10 to 15 minutes daily can make a difference. For those living in less sunny regions, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or fortified foods can help. In some cases, a small supplement might be necessary, but always check with your doctor. Protein. Many people underestimate the role of protein in bone health. Protein provides the building blocks for bone tissue. Include moderate amounts from lean meats, eggs, beans, and lentils. Don't overdo it. Balance is key. Magnesium, potassium, and other minerals. These support bone density and muscle function. Nuts, seeds, leafy greens, sweet potatoes, and bananas are excellent sources. A varied diet will naturally cover these nutrients without complicated meal plans. Avoid excess salt and sugar. Too much salt can leach calcium from your bones, and refined sugar spikes inflammation, which weakens bone structure. Try seasoning with herbs instead, and enjoy natural sweetness from fruits. Practical tip. Consider creating a colorful plate with at least 3 calcium-rich items, 1 protein source, and a fruit or vegetable high in magnesium or potassium. Eating this way daily sets the stage for strong bones. Exercises that strengthen bones. Nutrition alone isn't enough. Your bones need mechanical stress to stay strong. That's right, movement is medicine for your skeleton. Here's how to do it safely. Weight-bearing exercises. These are activities where your body works against gravity. Walking, dancing, hiking, and even stair climbing are excellent. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day, most days of the week. The key is consistency, not intensity. Strength training. Lifting light weights or using resistance bands helps build bone density. Focus on major muscle groups, legs, arms, and back. Start with 2 sessions per week. Even simple exercises like squats, calf raises, or seated arm lifts make a difference over time. Balance and flexibility exercises. Tai Chi and yoga aren't just for relaxation. They improve coordination, reduce fall risk, and support bone health. Simple daily stretches also maintain flexibility, which protects joints and reduces injury risk. Low-impact options? If you have joint issues, low-impact exercises like swimming or water aerobics still provide bone stimulation without stress on your joints. Practical tip. Combine exercises. For example, walk 20 minutes, then do 15 minutes of light strength exercises, followed by 10 minutes of balance stretches. Short, consistent sessions work better than occasional intense workouts.
Lifestyle habits that protect bones. Even with diet and exercise, lifestyle choices can make or break your bone health. Smoking reduces blood flow to bones, slowing repair. Alcohol in excess interferes with calcium absorption. Moderate habits protect your skeleton
This salmon looks
and your
absolutely
overall health.
perfect, dear.
During deep sleep, your body
these
repairs
greens are
tissues,
so fresh.
including bones.
Yeah.
Aim for 7 to 8 hours per night. Poor sleep patterns can increase inflammation and accelerate bone loss. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which can weaken bones. Mindful practices, deep breathing, and gentle daily walks can lower stress naturally. Some prescriptions may affect bone density. Regularly discuss your medications with your healthcare provider to understand any potential risks. Being underweight increases fracture risk, while being overweight puts excess stress on joints. Aim for a balanced weight through diet and moderate exercise. Make small daily choices. A 10-minute meditation, a brisk morning walk, or swapping soda for water can cumulatively protect your bones. Daily routines and community support. Prevention is most effective when it becomes part of your daily routine. Here's how older adults stay consistent and motivated. Start your day with a short walk or gentle stretching. Include a calcium-rich breakfast with fruit, yogurt, or eggs. Sunlight exposure in the morning boosts vitamin D. Join walking groups, senior fitness classes, or community centers. Exercising with others increases accountability and makes it more enjoyable. Keep a simple log. Days you exercised, meals you ate, or any improvements in strength or flexibility. Seeing progress motivates consistency. Remember, prevention is a marathon, not a sprint. Each small step, like choosing almonds over chips or taking the stairs instead of the elevator, adds up to stronger bones over time. Whether it's walking an extra block, mastering a new stretch, or feeling more confident in daily activities, celebrate your victories. Positive reinforcement makes habits stick. Preventing osteoporosis naturally is entirely possible. With balanced nutrition, Regular weight-bearing and strength exercises, mindful lifestyle habits, and a supportive community, your bones can remain strong and resilient. Start today, even with small steps, because every choice you make contributes to lifelong bone health. Remember, it's not about a single miracle solution. It's about creating a lifestyle that protects your bones, your mobility, and your independence for years to come.